Good morning, dear student. Today I will teach you class 11th biology, chapter 5 to be Falil. That means today topic means of spread of infectious agent. That means you can say that means of spread of disease. Infectious disease are highly communicable, is that they are easily spread from one person to another person by the different agencies of air, water, food, mosquitoes, items of commerce use also direct physical contact due to their communicable nature. Infectious disease are also known as communicable disease. Spread through the air, that means you see in the diagram, that means direct contact by air, indirect contact, infected person by food, by mosquitoes, by insects, by rabies, and healthy persons through involve overall process. Common method of transmission of disease. First of all, spread through the air. Many infectious agents, especially those which affect the respiratory system of person, are spread through air. Spread of air transmitted disease is more in areas to overcrowded or popularly ventilated person. Living in such area is a greater risk. Important disease which is spread through the air is tuberculosis, TB, influenza, pneumonia. Is spread through water. Water is a very common means of spreading disease. If we are not taking clean water, changes of disease occurrence are very highly. That means we can say that when the extra urine and facial waste of infected persons are thrown near the water source, they get mixed with drinking water and makes it polluted. On drinking such water, microbes enter the body of new host and important disease is spread through the water by cholera, dysentery, hepatitis and jaundice. That means you can say that in body 75% disease will mostly occurs through the water and spread through the food articles. Food articles, especially those which are sold roadside, may be highly infectious. Insects and flies are carry disease pathogens from open extras to food articles and make them infected. These healthy persons take such articles, he may get infected importance disease which is spread through infected food articles or cholera and dysentery spread through the mosquitoes. Some animals carry to disease causing microbes from one person to other. Such animals are known as vectors. Mosquitoes are most important disease vectors. The female mosquitoes, in order to lace the requires to highly immune systems consist of various components such as skin, digestive system, which blood lymphocytes like B lymphocytes and T lymphocytes. Female mosquitoes, in order lay eggs, require highly nutritional diets and to causing blood infections. Due to their blood sucking habits, they can transmit microbes into blood. That blood is infected to healthy man. Spread through the physical contacts. Many disease, that means direct physically contact to infected person with one items used by him. Towels, cloths of infected persons must not be used to disease like tuberculosis, leprosy, poxes, and spread through the sexual contact. Some disease as likes to AIDS, sexual relation with infected person are highly risk. Contact with body fluid and such persons may be immediately in result is due to infected syphilis and gonorrhea are other sexually transmitted disease. Thanks.